Hello, in front of me I have KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First, we need to open the settings, and to do that let's just swipe down from the top of the screen, and here let's tap on this settings icon, and once in settings let's scroll all the way down and tap on the language and input. Here let's tap on Google Keyboard, and now let's tap on languages. And now to change the language we need to turn off the default same as language setting, so let's turn it off. And here you can scroll down through the list and turn on and off any language you want. For example, let's turn on another language like Arabic. You can also turn off the English and leave the one you turned on as default, but let's use both of them, for example. And now let's tap somewhere we can write. And as you can see, the keyboard is in English, but we can switch it quickly by just tapping and holding right here on this spacebar. And then selecting the language we want to use, like Arabic, for example. And as you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic now. Now let's switch it back to English. And you can also go straight to the language settings by just touching and holding right here. And then tapping choose keyboards. Like that. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.